3.
I in that game, unboxing 2 more toys.
What's that toy right there you have? What's the name?
Cake.
Yeah, okay. It's in a plant. It's in a flower plant. Okay. Well, what's it gonna be? Open it.
A cherry.
Which one did you get?
Oh my God! Bell.
What's the name of that one? Look for the name.
I got it.
Let me see.
There you go.
Abigail.
Abigail?
Yeah, it's Abigail. Show everybody Abigail. Wow. Okay, what's the next one you're gonna open? Which one's that?
Fashion visit pets.
What? Show the box.
All the sides.
Okay. Open it up. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do it. Oh, why do you rip it?
I need to.
What is that? Show everybody. Show it over here. Up.
A puppet? I cannot.
Let me see.
I can take it off.
No, don't take it off. Why you want to take it off? Let me see. So what does it do? Oh, it's a puppet. Here. What's the name of the puppet? Which one is that? Did you find it? Look at the one you have. You can check.
Gregory.
Gregory?
Glory.
Gramgory. Oh, okay. Okay. Show everybody what you got today. No, which ones did you unbox? No, over here.
This one.
Show everybody what you get. You got a beaver, right? Show higher. What is that? A beaver? And a
dog.
A dog, a ballerina dog?
You can take out this.
Okay. Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
This little gamer, goodbye.
Goodbye.